Hey guys, it's Vess and welcome back to another helping artist. So this time I'm going to show you guys how to draw 4 different type of lips, I guess. And this is the way I do it. This is not the perfect way. It's just the way I know how to do it. We have normal, full, tinted, and lipstick. So those are the 4 ways I know how to do it. So yeah, let's jump right into it. The first thing I want to do is do the normal one. And the normal one is pretty much simple. You want to make sure that with this type of, once you draw your character, it's not going to be fully done like the way I have it here. But this is just showing you how to get everything situated. But you want to keep it in this region right here. And usually when you do your head, when you do your sketches, is usually like a circle, then it's mark. And then usually where the circle is will be the eyes, you have your nose, and then you have your mouth. And that's the area you want to keep at. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your sketches. So yeah, what you want to do for the lips is you want to, well, first thing I got to get a new layer. And you want to get the same width that you use for drawing. I think I used a number 10 point. So to make lips or make her smiling, what I like to do is make a spread out U like so, or a little bit more littler than that, like something like this. It's just very laid out. And then after that, on one end you want to do the same thing and come upward. Sometimes I like to add a little darkness up there to make it that tip. Like, see how it's like a little bit more thicker. So yeah, it's like thin, comes all the way up, and it's a little thick, and that just gives a little smirk. And then what you want to do for the other side is do the same thing you did on that one side. So you just go up, and you make that little ball and just match it to the lip. And it should look something like this. Again, if it's not looking the same, you can always go in and, fix it up. Even like if it's not looking the same on the other side, you just erase some of it, just make it look as good as you want it to be. It's no big deal, as long as it looks something like this. So after you do that, I like to personally put the bottom lip, and that just makes the lip look like she has a bottom lip. She has some type of lip. So that's one way you can do it. Another way is the full one. So for the full lip, you want to do the same thing. You want to do that, that little peak of the lip. You want to come out, spread out like so. Then you want to come out again, spread out like so. And you want to add that bottom lip. Now, you want to make sure that the bottom lip is a lot more curvy and it comes up just a little bit more, than normal. And then what I like to do is for the top part, you want to make like almost a semi-heart look and have that come down like so. And that's just like, her lips are full and it's just there, With the full, I like to add some tint to it and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you guys another way. So for the tinted ones, you do the same type of formation that you do for the other ones, like so. You add that bottom lip, like so. Now the thing different that you want to do is you want to grab a pink color. With dark skin characters, I like to hit multiply in my combinations mode, like right here, and grab the spray, like the soft airbrush color, and just hit it off with some tint like so. Another thing that I like to add to it is some like highlights. So the same color that she has on her cheek, I will grab that color and I'll put one, I will grab another layer, put one ball there, like right on the top, and then put like a trace of color like on her lip, and that give her like a tinted bottom lip just to make it look kind of cool. If you want it to turn it like a full tinted, another good way of doing that is, you know, let me turn this off real quick, these layers, so that I could show you. So what you will do is, it'll be the same thing with the whole, the lip action. The only thing different is you'll be adding her fullness like so. And this will be the bottom, right? So what you will do for something like this is, have that bottom like that, but get a darker color for the top part of her lip and just airbrush that in like so. Oh, hold on. I did on the wrong layer. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, on a different layer. You want to just add that darkness on the top of her lip, and then you want to multiply that. And that's supposed to give it like, a darkness to it. This one that I did right here is a little bit more like, it to me, it feels too choppy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do, like if you're going to put on lipstick, you just start from the top lip, come down, start from the top lip, come down. And there you go. And then she has that, that tint to her lips. So that's the way you will do that. Let me, delete that, bring that back, and bring back what I had here, which I thought I had here. Hold on. Yeah. Let me add back what I had, which was her little dot, and then add that little trail of lip shine. Okay. And then for lipstick, again, it's the same thing. What you want to do is you want to go ahead. You want to draw that little lip again. So that little swoop up, and then the bottom lip. I want to make the bottom lip a lot bigger though, because I like, full lips. Wow. Okay, Vess. Wow. Okay, my computer's a little jumpy. Okay, there we go. So for this, you want to grab another layer. I might give her some blue lipstick just so they can match her hair, I guess. So what you want to do is, actually, I'll keep it pink for you guys. You want to grab a dark pink color, and you want to basically do her top lip first. So you want to make it that full look like so. Just like, give that heart shape up on top. You don't even have to add the heart shape. You can go like this, or you could do the heart shape. I like the heart shape because my lips naturally have that. So it's kind of cute when a character has it, And, you just bring it, make sure that it's nice and full, coming all the way down from the sides. And erase the excess that you don't need. My eraser is kind of big. I don't know why it's so big, but we're going to fix that. So yeah, you want to make sure you could be as middle as possible with it, and add it and make it look cute. Now, for the bottom piece, I like to grab a lighter color from that pink. So what I do is I just go up like a notch, like right there, and I add that to the bottom lip. So you can come down. With me doing this, I don't touch this bottom piece that's right here. I just go slightly up from it, and that's just so that it can give like the lip a little bit more depth. I don't know, that's just me. If you want to touch that bottom part, you can. That's your choice. It's all about what you want to do. So do not feel bad if you do that. You know what I'm saying? Just do you. So it's supposed to look something like this. And what I do is I hit a multiply right on top of that bad boy, just to give that, that lipstick look. And after I'm done with that, the same thing that I did here with, grabbing that highlighted color and putting it on the bottom of her lip, instead of doing it from the, doing it from what I have here, from her cheek, I will get a pink color and I'll just add a ball and a trail of lipstick. Sometimes you can even highlight that top lip, but you want to go a little bit darker if you're going to highlight that top lip. So like something like that, just so that it can give that look of, of the shine of the lipstick. Usually top lips are really not colored. I don't know who usually has like the top lip glossing. I guess if she had a lot of makeup on, she could have it gloss like so. But personally, I don't like that look, so I just leave it be, and I feel she looks good the way she is. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you do your lips. Is plain and simple and not that, you know, crazy. Again, this is just the way I do lips and how I handle the certain type of lips. You can do it with either normal or full. Like you can do the tinted and lipstick technique with both. So don't be shy to practice and try with those because they do work. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, hit that like. And if you're new here and you're like, hey, Vess, thank you for that tutorial. I really needed it. And you're new, just go ahead, click around, see if you get to know me a little bit, and become one of our family members, become a pulse. Again, guys, I continuously do streaming every Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So be sure to be there. We have fun, man. We go ahead and we draw and do extra stuff. So yeah, come down and hang out with us. Again, guys, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.